everyone, and welcome to our first lesson at School of My TCA Solutions.
Our first lesson for today is Understanding your PC. Professor Matthew, our new professor,
What's a PC?
is going to explain it to you.
The fundamentals of computer savvy.
Understanding your PC. Lesson 1.
A PC, also known as a personal computer, is used for a lot of different things. One of the most significant things we use it for is to connect us all to the internet. Check out this cool PowerPoint presentation to show you exactly what we mean.
Now that we have a clear understanding of things we use our PC for, we can now head over to Lesson 2, which is called the components of a PC.
The basic function and components of a PC. At the end of this lesson, you will be able to define the basic function and components of a personal computer. Generally, there are 8 components in computer, and they are motherboard, power supply, input and output devices, central processing unit, CPU, random access memory, RAM, hard disk drive or solid-state drive, video card, and optical drives. We will discuss the components in detail now. Motherboard. The motherboard is the backbone that ties the computer's components together at one spot and allows them to talk to each other. Without it, none of the computer pieces, such as the CPU, GPU, or hard drive, could interact. Total motherboard functionality is necessary for a computer to work well. Power supply. A power supply unit converts main AC to low voltage regulated DC power for the internal components of a computer. Input and output devices. An input device is something you connect to a computer that sends information into the computer. For example, keyboard and mouse. An output device is something you connect to a computer that has information sent to it. For example, monitors. Central Processing Unit, CPU. The CPU is the brain of a computer, containing all the circuitry needed to process input, store data, and output results. The CPU is constantly following instructions of computer programs that tell it which data to process and how to process it. Without a CPU, we could not run programs on a computer. For example, a simple calculator program might instruct the CPU to take two numbers, add them, and send back the result. Random access memory, RAM. Computer memory, or random access memory, RAM, is your system's short-term data storage. It stores the information your computer is actively using so that it can be accessed quickly. Hard drive, or solid-state drive. A hard drive is the hardware component that stores all of your digital content. Your documents, pictures, music, videos, programs, application preferences, and operating system represent digital content stored on a hard drive. Everything stored on a hard drive is measured in terms of its file size. Video card. A video card is a PC component that is used to enhance the quality of images showed on a display. It is attached to the motherboard and controls and calculates an image's appearance on the screen. The video card is an intermediate device that accelerates the video throughput. Optical drive. An optical drive refers to a computer system that allows users to use DVDs, CDs, and Blu-ray. The drive contains some lenses that project electromagnetic waves that are responsible for reading and writing data on optical discs. Summary. In this lesson, we have learned definition and basic function and components of a personal computer.